Namaste. Welcome to YBI Foundation. Let's learn practice upskill. Introduction to Python. Learning outcomes of this tutorial are: first, history of Python. Second, why use Python. Third, application of Python. Welcome to the world of Python, the programming language that's changing how we build software and interact with data. Python is a popular high-level, general-purpose programming language that was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It's no wonder that Python has become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, used by tech giants, startups, researchers, and hobbyists alike. It has gained widespread adoption due to its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Python was designed with a clear philosophy of code readability. This means Python code is clean, intuitive, and almost reads like plain English. This emphasis on clarity makes Python incredibly beginner-friendly. Newcomers can quickly grasp its concepts and start writing useful programs in no time. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is no lightweight. It's a high-level, general-purpose language, meaning it can handle a wide range of tasks. Simple syntax. Python's syntax resembles the English language, making it easy to read and write. Imagine a programming language that feels less like deciphering code and more like reading a well-written story. Unlike other languages that rely heavily on cryptic symbols and complex structures, Python programming uses words and syntax that resemble everyday English. Let's say you want to print a simple greeting as "Hello World." In Python, it's almost as if you are instructing the computer in plain language. In the world of programming, time is of the essence. Every keystroke counts, and efficiency is paramount. That's where Python shines. Developers can write clean, streamlined code that gets the job done with fewer lines compared to many other languages. Imagine an example that you are building a program to calculate the area of a circle. In some programming languages, you might need multiple lines of code to define variables, perform calculations, and display the result. But in Python, it can be as simple as in just 3 lines. Python's concise syntax eliminates unnecessary clutter, allowing you to express your code in simple syntax. This simplicity in coding has a ripple effect. First, it increased productivity, that is, you can write code faster, accelerating your development process. Second, it improved readability, that is, concise code is easier to understand and maintain, especially in collaborative projects. Third, it reduced errors, that is, with fewer lines, there's less chance of mistakes and bugs. Interpreter system. Python executes code as soon as it's written, allowing quick prototyping. Imagine having a conversation with your computer, where it responds instantly to your every instruction. That's basically how Python works, thanks to its interpreter system. It reads and executes your code line by line, as you write it. First-time Python programming learners can see the results of their code immediately, making it easier for them to learn and build confidence. Cross-platform. Python works on different platforms. Whether you are using a Windows PC, a Mac, a Linux-powered machine, or even a tiny Raspberry Pi, Python speaks the same language. This cross-platform compatibility is a huge advantage for developers and users alike. It means you can write your Python code once and share it with others, regardless of their computer setup. No more worrying about compatibility headaches or rewriting code for different platforms. Python's versatility extends beyond desktop computers too. It can run on servers, in the cloud, and even on some mobile devices. This makes Python a powerful tool for building everything from web applications and data analysis tools to scientific simulations and educational projects. Versatility. Python supports all three programming styles as F procedural, second object-oriented, and third functional programming styles. If you like to break down problems into step-by-step procedures, Python's procedural style has your back. It's like following a recipe, where you execute instructions one after the other. If you prefer to model your code around real-world objects and their interactions, Python's object-oriented style is your jam. It's like building with Legos, where each brick represents a component of your program. And for those who love elegant, mathematical approaches, Python embraces functional programming. This style is like a symphony, where functions work harmoniously to create beautiful, efficient code. Python's versatility doesn't stop there. It even lets you blend these styles, creating a unique coding dialect that suits your project perfectly. It's like a fusion cuisine for your code. So, if you're looking for a programming language that's as flexible as a yoga instructor and as expressive as a poet, look no further than Python. It's the Swiss Army knife of the coding world, ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. Web development, server-side. Python can be used to create web applications on the server side. Have you ever wondered what makes websites dynamic and interactive? The secret often lies on the server side, where code runs behind the scenes to deliver personalized content and handle user actions. Python's versatility, readability, and extensive libraries make it a top choice for building web applications of all shapes and sizes. But Python isn't just for complex projects. Even beginners can quickly get started with simple web servers or build personal blogs and portfolios. So, if you are dreaming of creating the next big social network, an e-commerce platform, or a data-driven dashboard, Python's server-side capabilities can turn those dreams into reality. Software development. It's widely used for building software applications. Whether you are building a simple desktop program, a complex web app, or even a game, Python provides the building blocks you need. Big data and complex math. Python is suitable for handling big data and performing complex mathematical operations. So, if you're ready to dive into the depths of big data and conquer complex mathematical challenges, Python is your trusty companion. It's a language that empowers you to transform raw information into actionable knowledge. Automation and scripting. Python is ideal for automating repetitive tasks and writing scripts for various purposes. Imagine sending personalized emails to hundreds of recipients with a single command, renaming thousands of files in seconds, or scraping data from websites. Python makes all of this possible, and more. Its clear syntax and vast collection of libraries make it a breeze to write scripts for a wide range of purposes. Data science and machine learning. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow support data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. From cleaning and wrangling data to building predictive models and deploying them in real-world applications, Python provides a comprehensive toolkit for your data-driven journey. So in end, we can say that Python is a true all-rounder in the world of programming, empowering users to tackle diverse challenges with ease and efficiency. Let's like, share, and subscribe for more quick insights. Thanks for watching.